Today I have 3 beautiful projects using wood rounds. For our first project, I have this wood round, and as you see, I am running out of my khaki color. So I'm going to be using the rest of it. Then I'm going to go to Walmart and purchase me a couple of bottles because this is my favorite color. I'm going to go ahead and spread it around with this sponge brush, and I'm gonna give it one entire coat. And then after I gave it that entire coat, I'm like, why did I do that? Because I'm gonna be using some peel and stick. So yeah, that wasn't necessary. But if you're gonna create something like this, don't follow my steps. Just go ahead and paint half of the wood round because the other half is going to be covered with the peel and stick. So I'll make the mistakes so like that you don't have to make them. I have a couple of peel and sticks that are my favorite from the Dollar Tree, and this is one of them. I was thinking about placing the peel and stick with the birds section to the wood round, but then they would have been facing down, so I went the other route. I went on and I traced it with my fingers, the bottom section, and now I'm going to go ahead and cut with the scissors. Then I'm just going to go ahead and peel that back section off, and then I'm ready to place it on the wood round. Once this peel and stick is put in place, I'm going to be sanding all the extra peel and stick, moving downwards just to prevent that peel and stick from lifting from the wood round. I took this rope, I've had this in my stash for a while, and I created 2 knots, making sure that they are nice and tight. Then I'm just going to cut this end here, and then I'm going to cut the next end close to the knot. And that's what we are going to be placing on those 2 opening holes. And of course, we are gluing this up here with plenty of hot glue. And I'm going to do that to both of them. I love this family word. It comes 2 in a package. They are very thick. I came in with some linen white chalk paint, and I'm just giving it one light coat. And then of course, with plenty of hot glue, I'm going to be gluing it right here on the wood round. And of course, I'm just going to go ahead and keep it nice and simple. Once this is put in place, I'm going to take the same rope and glue it right here in the back section of the wood round. If you are creating something like this, you know that is completely customizable. You go ahead floral, maybe some greenery, a bow, jute twine. The options are endless, but for me, I want to keep it nice and simple, and this is it for me. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and I hope you enjoy this simple project.
Hey friends, come take a look. We're crafting today with rounds and wood. Peel and stick, it's easy and slick. Making it pretty with just a few tricks. We're teaming.
For this next project, I'm going to take this wood round and this peel and stick, and I'm going to do the same process. I'm just going to go ahead and place it on top, cut the rest of it, of course sand off the remaining peel and stick, and then voila. I thought my camera was recording, but it was not, so that's why I had to explain it. So my dear friend, keep watching the process. In the meantime, I want to let you know that this video is part of an open collaboration called Wood Round or Wreath Wednesday. This takes place every 4th Wednesday of each month, and Loli from Loli D's Creation is the host every month, along with myself, DIY with Aurea. Every month we try bringing in a guest host, and this month is our talented creator Christine from Divine's Designs. These ladies are so talented, and they are beautiful inside and out. I'm going to have the links directly to their channels down below in my description box, along with a playlist. Please make sure to go ahead and visit them. Let them know that I send you. And now this project is nice and simple. The wood rounds are already put in place with hot glue, and then with the same khaki color, I'm gonna go ahead and paint this border just to make this look nice and finished. And then this is another simple project. I'm gonna leave it just as is. Let me know what you think in the comment section.
So much creativity in the air. So grab your glue, your tape, your tools. Let's turn Dollar Tree finds into something cool. Let's get started, come craft with me.
I have this little plaque. I'm gonna begin by removing this little burlap bowl from here and the label behind it. So now I'm going to be sanding this piece only to make sure that the paint is going to adhere once I paint it with this antique wax. And I'm also going to be watering it down. Now that the antique wax is watered down, I will not have any need to wipe it down because I am in love with this color. I purchased this burlap cloth from Dollar Tree, and now I'm going to measure it, cut a piece to cover only half of the plaque. So I'm gonna go ahead and use plenty of hot glue. You gotta be careful because this burlap, the hot glue penetrates and you do not want to get burned. To make it a gift, I will be using some craft paper in addition to hot glue to cover the back, just to make it look nice and pretty. And with this roller knife, this is what I'm going to be using to cut the excess paper out. I'm also going to be giving it one coat with this chalk paint, and this little plaque I bought it at Dollar Tree and it's 2 in a package for $1.25. And now it's time to assemble this. With plenty of hot glue, I'm gonna glue this home sign right between the plaque and the burlap material. I also bought this grass weed from Dollar Tree, and this is the second project where I will be using it. And with some hot glue, I'm just gonna be gluing it right here. In addition, I have these pink flowers from the bottom of my stash. I'm going to be cutting them and randomly putting them here and there. Moving along to our final stage of this project, I have this burlap bowl and I will be cutting a piece to create a beautiful bowl. If you enjoy this project, please consider subscribing and share your thoughts in the comment section. And for the final touch, I'm just going to be adding a couple of roses right up here.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, it's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.